Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So this would be a question that has been asked by one of the participants and I'm going to answer that. And also I'm going to pick out two beautiful breakout stocks that you can expect for the next entire week. So if you have, somewhere around a spare sort of, transaction that you want to do, then this can actually help you. So remember, whatever advice that we give here, we trade it for ourselves. This is just a technical analysis and it's based on, probability. So let's quickly go ahead and find out as to what those stocks were. So there are, somewhere around 3 stocks that I want to talk about. And those stocks are something, let me just go ahead and get them over here. So one is called as SUN PHARMA. The kind of spelling that I have over here for this is completely different. So let's quickly look at this. So SUN PHARMA, ZEEL and PAYTM. So a lot of people did ask me about, what's happening with PAYTM. We have got this allotted with us and what are the next instances that can happen over here. Now for that, guys, there is nothing, prior to the 18th of November. So the only thing that will help you over here is FIB. So if you guys are stuck over here at this range of somewhere around 1600, I want you to be very, very careful because this is now coming towards the downtrend and there is a trend line coming from the top, which is indicating that it is having a pressure from the top side. Now, 2 things can happen over here at 50% retracement. It can pull itself up and go, or it can then start breaking down to achieve the lower low target. Now, if you understand the kind of a movement that it is making over here, the only thing that you should be concerned about is that this level of 16,1611 has been breached. So this will be your final support of 1530. If this is being breached, then this is a confirmed downtrend stock. So it will keep on making its lower lows and going towards the infinity. So that's one thing that you would need to keep in mind. And the second question that people had was about ZEEL. So, a couple of days ago, a lot of people have, even we have traded last month on ZEEL and we were waiting for this particular level to be broken out. Now, remember that the confirmation over here has become even more stronger. So the day when it is breaking out this range of 352, I will invest a very handsome sum on this particular, stock, which I'm going to keep a target of at least 400 as a round number. And that would be on a positional basis over here in the month of December. So keep an eye on this because this guy also has been consolidating on a similar range. So whenever an index makes or a stock makes a big candle and it is trading under the shadow of that particular candle, whenever the breakout happens, it would be equivalent to the candle that it is actually consolidating with. So if I go ahead and practically based on the candle to candle, if I want to take the trade after this level, I can even wait for a target of 430. But this is one level that we are waiting for a breach. Now, the other stock that people were talking to me about was SUN PHARMA. Now, SUN PHARMA has been on a selling range for quite some time. But remember that over here, there is a very strong buying that keeps on happening whenever it comes to 750. So today it confirmed its reversal. And right now the direction is on the upside. So what is going to happen here is that it is going to operate based on fibs over here at this moment. And let me just confirm that with you over here. Just one moment. We'll take the recent low and we'll take the high over here. So now what needs to happen is that if SUN PHARMA by tomorrow or Monday is able to clear this level of 777. So remember this, it would be 777. Once it clears this, then the target of 810 will be on the spot. So it can happen on a Friday, or it can happen on a Monday, or it can happen on a Tuesday. So now it has made a bullish candle. So tomorrow it might also make a halt candle, or it might make a bigger candle to actually confirm this particular trend. But it should be above the previous 2 days close over here. That would be 760. So until SUN PHARMA is above 760, I'm bullish for a way where we can go ahead and reach 810 without any hassle. All right. So this is one of those particular stocks that you have to keep in mind. Now, if you're looking at Bank Nifty as well, so banking stocks have become quite powerful right from the top to the bottom. It is right now consolidating at this range. I'm going to be waiting for this level tomorrow. Now, let me just show that to you. So the level that I'll be waiting for is 36,800. So once that is taken out over here, this will easily fill the gap, and we will be looking at 37,795 tomorrow, or in the next week, in the coming days, once this particular breach is done. So right now it has made a bottom and it has taken a support. Now, of course, the global markets are showing some pressure, but that pressure will not be regarded because we have compensated a lot of points by going on to a downwards direction. Now, the other happy news that I have over here is with Nifty. Now, the same range that I wanted Nifty to break has already been breached. So tomorrow, what is going to happen is that if it takes out the level of the high, then 17,600 is a no-show. It will straight away go ahead and hit that particular target. And if you want to even try till 17,600, and 94 will also be a very good bet for you over here in the next coming week. So thank you so much for sending your request via the WhatsApp number, and I hope my analysis helps you. Now, we have been having a bit of a problem with the early morning pre-market analysis. Now that is going to be sorted out in the next couple of days. So most probably from Monday is when I would start full-fledged about it. So tomorrow, expect another learning video over the weekend. It will be all about a strategy that I'm going to teach you about Bank Nifty. And that is something that you can apply it on a very, minimal capital that you would have tested. And if that works, then you can actually trade that. So watch out for that video that is coming over the weekend. For today, this is what I have. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Take care. Goodbye. See you on the next video. Bye for now.